telling Chris during the commercial break, we're trying to get the rain to show up on the camera here. It's just about to make its way into Waco. This is a live look from the Allen Samuel Skylive weather camera. I've got a report that it is raining in Belton right now, and likely we'll see the rain pushing its way into Waco very shortly as well. Here's another look at the wide angle on the radar here. A little dry line is pushing its way right into central Texas in the I-35 corridor. This red shaded area is the tornado watch that is in effect until 11 o'clock tonight. Just kind of skirts the corner of our viewing area. Shower activity back down into the Brazos Valley and on down towards the upper Texas Gulf Coast as well right now, but things looking a little bit better for us. There's an old graphic. We'll get that one on out of there. All right, for tonight, we're looking at 40% chance of a few lingering showers in the forecast for us, clearing skies, and 41 degrees for an overnight low. Winds still out of the southwest around 10 to 15 miles an hour through probably early morning or so because the front still lagging behind. What's causing the showers out to the west of town is the dry line preceding the front. So winds will shift to the northwest tomorrow, 10 to 20 miles an hour and gusty. It's going to be a beautiful blue sky, clear day, but it's going to be windy. Those winds will be out of the northwest, 10 to 20 with gusts to 30 miles an hour. So we're talking about some cooler conditions for us tomorrow afternoon. Winds will be out of the northwest, drying the atmosphere out, so the temperature should get up to about 63 for a high tomorrow compared to the high temperature we had today of 72, so considerably cooler. Not much in the way of any rain. Our last drought monitor still puts us into at least a moderate drought condition here in central Texas. Some areas are a little drier, almost into severe conditions, so we could certainly use a little additional rain. However we get it. So far, it hadn't happened. Frontal boundary pushes its way on through the Mississippi Valley tonight. We turn our attention out to the west. A couple of cells of high pressure build in. Now, that's going to continue to pump some very cool air in off the center of the country, across the plains into our area. So we're talking about readings overnight, again, back down to near freezing the next couple of nights. So some light freezes on the way for us. Not tonight, but tomorrow night is a good likelihood. Here's your future track computer model. Through morning, we'll take those temperatures now in the 60s down into the 40s first thing in the morning. The winds continue out of the north. They're going to be blowing tomorrow. It's going to be one of those days where you want to lash down the lawn furniture. Highs tomorrow get up to around 60, maybe 62 degrees area-wide. Right now, you're looking at 56 rain showers in the area, 45 is the dew point, 67% relative humidity. Our winds dropping off to calm right now as that dry line makes its way in here. Here's your Channel 6 7-day forecast where your weekend's always in view. You notice that the sky warn classes have been dropped. That is part of the government shutdown. Once the government funding's back in there, we'll probably be able to put those back onto our calendar. But right now, all the sky warn classes have been put on hold. For tonight, low 40s, highs tomorrow, low 60s, very gusty winds out of the north and northwest, as much as 20 to 25 miles an hour, with gusts occasionally to 30 miles an hour. More sunshine on Tuesday and Wednesday. But look at those low temperatures, down to 30 for a light freeze on Tuesday, a little harder freeze on Wednesday morning. Then we see the winds back to the south, a little more moisture back in here. We start talking about at least some small rain chances for Thursday, Friday, into Saturday as well. Right now, we're looking at about a 40% chance of rain. Channel 6 is one of the sponsors for the 5K run, the Big Blue Wave 5K. That's going to be held Friday evening. It sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll get the rain in and out of here before that takes place.
All right, Andy, thanks so much.